At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise to welcome our awardee for Outstanding Mayor, Honorable Imelda Emmy G. Calixto Rubiano, Mayor of Pasay City. Mayor Imelda Emmy Calixto Rubiano is the first woman elected as Mayor of Pasay City, is committed to delivering a compassionate, transparent, and accountable government. She advances the city's sustainable development through her health agenda, healthcare and housing, education, economic growth and environment, livelihood and lifestyle, and peace and order, palengke at pamilya. Known as the Ina ng Pasay, her service-oriented leadership has positively impacted her constituents. Once again, congratulations to our outstanding mayor, Honorable Imelda Emmy G. Calixto Rubiano, Mayor of Pasay City.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given in recognition of our awardees' invaluable support and contribution to the advocacy of the Public Attorney's Office given this May 2026 during the 9th MCLE Grand National Convention in PAO at the World Trade Center in Pasay City, Philippines.
Dr. Presida Rueda Acosta, Chief Public Attorney, Deputy Chief Public Attorney, Attorney Annalisa Soriano, sa lahat po ng mga senior and key officials of the Public Attorney's Office, ang ating mga supporting staff, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. To our friends, colleagues, and fellow public servants, it is truly my honor to be standing among such esteemed, distinguished, and dignified individuals. To be named Outstanding Mayor once again, following the same recognition in 2022, 2023, and 2024, is humbling and deeply meaningful. Kaya naman po sa kaibuturan ng aking puso, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo, and this serves as an inspiration for me for not just doing good until the good is better and the better is best. This award is not mine alone. It is the byproduct of our honest-to-goodness, tapat, at higit pa sa sapat na paglilingkod, and our advocacy to continue our collaboration, communication, coordination, and commitment. A pillar of this is our continuous and efficient collaborations with the Public Attorney's Office, whose commitment to justice and public service remains unwavering. Moving forward, know that we will continue to be proud and welcoming home to the PAO and its affiliates in all ways and in every endeavor. Together, let us make the present better while working on ensuring that the future will be at its best and brightest. Kaya naman po, ngayon din, ino-congratulate ko po ang inyong 9th Mandatory Continuing Legal Education Grand National Convention. Muli, kung ano man po ang aking mapaglilingkod, nandito lang po ako, nakabukas ang aking tanggapan upang sumuporta sa abot ng aking makakayanan. Thank you very much and congratulations again.
Thank you and congratulations, our outstanding mayor, Honorable Imelda Emmy G. Calixto Rubiano.